Welcome. In film is an iPad Pro 11 from 2021, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through factory mode or recovery mode using your computer. Now you will need a cable for this and the computer. I'm going to be using a MacBook, but you can also use Windows, though you will need to download iTunes on your Windows computer. On the Mac side, you actually don't need to download anything. You don't even need to open up iTunes. It works through Finder now. So let's just simply pop it in and open up Finder. You can see it just popped up right here. So from here, let's just put the device into the recovery mode. So you do so by pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding power key. So let me just show you. Volume up, volume down, power. And you're going to keep on holding this till the device boots into recovery mode. Now you will see the recovery mode on your computer. And also here, it will look like this, at which point you can let go. And on the computer side, it shows up as iPad, but when you click on it, as you can see, it gives you some kind of problem, whatever, and then tells you that iPad is in recovery mode and that you can restore it or update it, then restore it. So let's tap on Restore iPad, which for some reason causes some problems. Apparently, just press this. Oh, okay, no, never mind. This time around, it actually showed up. I tried to record it before, and for some reason, it didn't even want to bring me up with this window. Now, unfortunately, this will probably need to be cut short because it's going to start downloading the new version of iOS. So this will take more than 3 minutes, I presume. It is 5 gigabytes, as you can see right at the bottom here. So just be patient. Once it's done downloading, it should immediately progress on its own further. So just give it time. Now, I believe I'm going to probably cut the video here, shorten it or speed it up, so you can just sit tight and wait for the next part. So you can see right now, at least for me, it gives me the message that your iPad has been restored to factory settings. Just confirm it and wait for the device to boot back up. And then there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.